My name is Céline.
And my name is Martin from Pass the Crayon.
My name is Deborah. I am the founder of Glück workshops.
Pass the Crayon is an organization that fosters self-expression through art for refugee kids in Berlin.
Glück workshops is a project that I created to work with creative development for children using arts and technology.
Since 2015, we perform 3 workshops per week, and with the help of almost 800 volunteers over the past 3 years and a half, we succeed to follow 5,400 kids.
I believe in creativity as a tool to thrive and to live a life that is more authentic to ourselves. I believe that creativity can help children to become better adults that can know themselves better and thus deal with whatever is happening in the world in a unique way. I love to work with Pass the Crayon because of the expertise and the love that they put into the work that they do. And I think that our powers combined, we create a superpower.
And we reached out to her to collaborate on a project. And basically, it was the most beautiful encounter of 2019, and this encounter leads to a proper collaboration between our 2 organizations. So we are extremely proud and happy to announce you that in 2019, Pass the Crayon and Glück Workshop will join their forces to bring back even more creativity around Berlin and further.
I'm really happy with this collaboration and I'm looking forward to playing with children, with these 2 big children.
And Pass the Crayon and Glück Workshop are going to create even more powerful workshops. And we are so happy because even personally we are so good together. So it's the best match. See you soon.
See you.